Hey, what is going on guys? Tech Enthusiast here, and this is a battery charge comparison between the Asus ROG phone against the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. So we have Qualcomm's Quick Charge 4 going up against Huawei's Supercharge. Which one of these phones will charge the fastest? Let's find out in this video. Firstly, we have the Asus ROG phone. It has a 4000 mAh battery and it comes with Qualcomm's Quick Charge 4 adapter, and you can see the voltage details on the left, and it comes with a black braided double-sided USB Type-C charging cable. Then we have the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. It has a slightly larger 4200 mAh battery and it comes with their new supercharge adapter, and you can see the voltage details on the right, and it comes with a white USB-A to USB Type-C charging cable. Both of the batteries are flat. I'm just going to turn the power on and check the timings roughly every 15 minutes or so. Coming up to the first 15 minutes, the ROG phone is on 28% and the Mate 20 Pro is on 36%, which is an 8% lead. Coming up to the half an hour mark, the ROG phone is on 61% and the Mate 20 Pro on 71%, which is a 10% lead. At 45 minutes, the ROG phone is on 81% and the Mate 20 Pro on 93%, which is a 12% lead. 10 minutes later, the ROG phone is on 87% and the Mate 20 Pro is on 98%, which is an 11% lead. At 1 hour, the ROG phone is on 90% and the Mate 20 Pro on 99%, which is a 9% lead. And just one more minute later, the ROG phone is still on 90% and the Mate 20 Pro has fully charged at 1 hour and 1 minute. Checking back at 1 hour and 15 minutes, the ROG phone is on 96%. 10 more minutes later, the ROG phone is on 98%. At 1 hour and 30 minutes, the ROG phone is at 99%. Checking back one more minute later, okay, there's some lag here, still at 99%. Another minute later, the ROG phone is lagging and 99%. Checking back again after 1 minute and some lag still, the ROG phone has fully charged at 1 hour and 33 minutes and the difference between the two phones is 32 minutes. What's interesting here is that the Mate 20 Pro actually charged faster by 7 minutes when I compared it to the OnePlus 6T, and also the OnePlus 6T took 1 hour and 33 minutes just like the ROG phone. Now if you want to see a comparison between Quick Charge 4 and Dash Charge, do let me know in the comments section. So that is the end of this battery charge comparison, and here are the timings at a glance. So in the first 15 minutes, the ROG phone was just under 30% with the Mate 20 Pro at 36%. Half an hour later, 61% on the ROG phone and 71% on the Mate 20 Pro. Now going a bit further, at 1 hour and 1 minute, the Mate 20 Pro fully charged to 100% with the ROG phone at 90%, which is quite respectable. However, the ROG phone was quite slow charging to 100% and it took an extra 32 minutes to reach that. I'm not sure what Huawei did here, but the Mate 20 Pro actually charged faster by 7 minutes than when I compared it with the OnePlus 6T, and it looks like it improved over time. I believe the only charger that is faster is SuperVOOC for Oppo phones, but that's not globally available. What did you think of this battery charge comparison? Were you surprised? Do you think Quick Charge 4 will beat Dash Charge? Do let me know in the comment section. Now if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you happen to be new here, then please do consider subscribing, as I have many more videos coming up. So make sure you hit that bell icon so you get notified as soon as I release my videos. Please do follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and like always, thanks for watching and I will catch up with you in the next video.